If Siege started crashing, open Options, go to Graphics, scroll down, and change anti-aliasing from TAA to FXAA, and apply. If you don't use Radeon or you can't reach the menu, start with file verification. If it still crashes, close Siege and open the library where you installed it. For Steam, right-click Rainbow Six, Properties, Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Ubisoft Connect, it's Rainbow Six Siege, Properties, Local Files, Verify Files. Reopen Siege and try and play a game. If it still crashes, open the NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver and support assistant. I've got the official download links in the description. Open drivers or updates and install the latest recommended driver. If the crashes began after you did a driver update, you can try restoring to the previous working driver instead. For rollback drivers, right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager. Next to Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, open Properties, Driver at the top, and select Rollback Driver. If Rollback Driver is unavailable, use your graphics manufacturer's website to install the previous stable version. Restart your PC, launch Siege, and try doing a training or a quick match. If it still crashes, open the official R6 fix link in the description and submit a report.